Mmat or metamaterials. Today we're going to be talking about the technical analysis, some of my like thinking, some questions that I need to answer, and all the good stuff. So if you're interested more in that, I will highly like tell you, or I will highly appreciate it if you just stick till the end. Okay. So I'm Mr. Sicko, and I do a lot of videos like this every single day or like on daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. Like the video too if you find any kind of value, and let's just keep on going. Okay. So MMAT or metamaterials. Metamaterials is setting a price of right around at the moment. I mean, like yesterday it closed the price of around 344. We were down like 5 cents or approximately 1.43% to the downside. Okay, so yeah, like it was a great day. If it like we were gonna be scoring to the down like to the lower time frame, but first of all, um, we're going to be talking about the is MMAT the next GME or AMC? All of them stocks are pretty much meme stocks. They made a boom. I mean, they made pretty much history. But is MMAT one of them? And yeah, all you need to do is just hold, add, repeat, and patience. That's it. And but first of all, I will say that no, this is like literally every meme stock, like every meme stock though. Okay, we are a long term hold. Everything will be good to this kind of squeezes, and if something like this squeezes or something like that, but we are for the long term. And bro, absolutely for the long term, like we are gonna be rewarded. Okay, and we're just gonna be hauling, repeating, like holding, adding, and repeating. That's it. And you gotta be staying patient. Okay, and MMT is going to be what apes spend their money on when we Moses. Okay. Oh, you didn't know that Jimmy hasn't squeezed yet? Okay, shorts haven't even covered, the naked shorts are hiding. Okay, and like we will see what will be happening. And the big difference is that AMC and GME are household names. I doubt many people like haven't like never even heard of MMAT. And y'all forget about the T35 after the merger from two highly shorted tongues. That's also the second thing. And also, likely the MMT shorting position is much smaller than the GME short position and does not threaten to take down the S&P 500. Okay, and also that MMT, I think, I mean, this may be just my opinion, but this may be another Apple stock in 2035, and 2035 is like what, like 14 years from now, and slow and steady, and we will see what will be happening. Okay, so we will see what will be happening. And I know, like, I will highly appreciate it if these hedge funds go to bankruptcy from one, like, when they're shorting this kind of stock. They have a lot of money, but it is what it is. Let's just go straight into the technical analysis and just remove all of that nonsense talk, right? So yeah, MMAT. First of all, we have the 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, and the 200 moving average. Okay, and in this case, we have some like an indicator right here. For example, if you don't know what this is a golden cross, and this golden cross occurs whenever the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average cross each other, right? So for example, if the 50 moving average is above the 200 moving average, this tells us that the market wants to like push to the upside. And for example, this was a beautiful prediction right here, and this was a beautiful like indication too. From right here, it started pushing the next candle, or the next day started pushing to the upside, and it was in a beautiful uptrend right there, all from the this like moving averages and indicator. This is what I have on my chart, just to kind of like see the directional bias. And just keep in mind that at some cases this may not be even like correct. Okay, for example, this golden cross right there, but you just got to keep that in mind. And overall, for this kind of thing, you can see that I have a huge like yellow line right there, which I don't think that it may be possible to be hitting that, but it's just like silly for me to even talk about the bottom, because a lot of people will make a mistake right there. And this is my prediction that was made on the 12th of July. Okay, so yeah, and we have a kind of like moving in my prediction, kind of went down, pushed to the upside right here, kind of touched it, tickled it with the wick, then kind of pushed back down. A lot of things were happening. Let's just go through the lower time frame and see what's happening right there. So as you can see, we kind of did not want to even surpass this line right here. We kind of made a support at around 337, just below 335, somewhere around there. Okay, so we'll be putting kind of a zone right there. And then we kind of had another zone, another smaller zone right here, which kind of tell me that this is kind of a head and shoulders pattern, like no cap. But yeah, let me just get this, the rectangle, and kind of put the zone right there. Okay, this is another zone. So this we are in a kind of a range at the moment. We have a kind of ranging for like a short period of time, nothing like not big of a deal, but all we need to do is just hold and like hold, add, and average down and repeat. I mean, it's the same thing. The average down like basically means you just buy the price from the, I mean, when it's lower than the previous power price that you bought. That's it. Okay, we don't need to do all of that. What that was that. This is a pretty simple explanation about this. So what does the average down mean? It basically means that you just buy the price that, that is lower from the previous price that you bought, just like that. And a lot of things are happening with Mmat material and Samsung too. And I know like one guy like Johnny Snacks on Reddit, I know this, he just said something like that. I hope that's how that's his name, but he said, I would like to share some information with you guys about my experience today. First, I want to say I work at a mobile retailer and got super excited today. Well, the Samsung rep stopped at my store today and you guessed it, I hunted him for info on the new Fold. I haven't seen it yet, but I have to sign an NDA Friday when he brings it. I won't be able to say anything after that until the release date. I did ask him if there is a metamaterial in the phone. His words, not mine, was yes. Okay, so he said yes. There is, and he mentioned that he couldn't tell me the name of the phone, so I'm like speculating it won't be called the Fold 3. Also, when I asked about the nano web, his response wasn't that's why I like you, because you know your shit. Okay, he couldn't tell me, but that shit green had a head on that shit grind he had on his face was telling enough that I nailed it. Boy, I hope I'm right and we start getting the PR we need. Okay, love you Meta family, have a great night, take this post as what you want. Okay, so he's like pretty much excited. Okay, I'm pretty excited about this too. Samsung is a big company, and Meta Material just got merged with with TRCH. Okay, their like industry and the sector they're in have been changing a lot too, but that's all the process. Okay, we are gonna be seeing what will be happening with that. And guys, peace out. Have a great for the rest of your day, and just keep in mind to like the video. Like, it will take maybe like 1 second of your day, and I'm not financial advisor overall. I think that you already know that. Okay, so yeah, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, guys.